Today I'm going to create some fall trees from some boxwood topiary trees that I already have. So if that interests you, then why don't you stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including seasonal videos like this one. In today's video, I am going to be decorating some fake boxwood topiary trees for fall. And I'm doing this as part of an open collaboration that's being hosted by the DIY Mommy. Check out her channel and the playlist, which I'll have linked down below. And now let's get decorating my topiary trees.
For this project, you're going to need a leaf garland from Dollar Tree, this sheer ribbon also from Dollar Tree, some raffia from Dollar Tree, and then some pipe cleaners. I just took some pipe cleaners and cut them into 4 pieces, and I'm using 4 of the little pieces on each garland that I make, and I'm going to make 4 garlands total. Now I'm unrolling the raffia packages, and then I'm going to find the middle and then spread out the raffia on top of the leaf garland. Then I'm going to take my pipe cleaner pieces and use those to help hold the raffia in place. Once the raffia is all in place, then I'm going to take the sheer ribbon and put it over the top to kind of mute the colors of the leaves in the garland. And for this project, I decided to put the gold side of the sheer ribbon up, since it's more of an autumn color than the silver side is. Now I'm just taking the garland and wrapping it around the spaces in my topiary trees. It's kind of a double helix, so I need 2 garlands for each tree. Then I'm taking some pieces of fake eucalyptus that I cut off from branches I got at Walmart and tucking those into the tree so that it will tie in with the mantle decor. And then I'm adding in some mums and some smaller white flowers as well. And then I will be adding in some pumpkins that I put onto toothpicks, and then some little wood words that I got from the Target dollar spot last year. After all the decor pieces are added, I'm going to take some fairy lights that I got from Amazon and wrap those around the tree as well. The lights have a timer on them, so I can just start them when I want them to come on and then hit the timer button, and they will stay on for a few hours and then go off automatically. And here's a look at the finished topiary trees. I have 2 of them, one on each side of the fireplace. As I mentioned, it took 2 garlands to wrap around each tree.
I hope you enjoyed what I did. If you did, why don't you go ahead and give me a thumbs up on the buttons down below. And if you are new to my channel and you like what you saw, why don't you subscribe? You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button down below. Thank you all for watching. I want to thank those of you who are new subscribers as well as subscribers I've had for a long time. I'm really having fun decorating my house for the fall, and I hope you're getting some inspiration too. Take care everyone. Bye bye.